Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. At Comm Systems, we provide innovative security and communication solutions that keep your spaces safe, efficient, and connected. High-traffic areas such as office buildings, schools, shopping centers, and transportation hubs face unique security challenges. With so many people moving in and out daily, it becomes difficult to monitor who is entering, exiting, and accessing restricted areas. This is where video intercom systems play a crucial role. Unlike traditional audio-only systems, video intercoms provide both sound and clear visuals, allowing security personnel and staff to see and verify individuals in real time before granting access. In high-traffic environments, this technology reduces the risk of unauthorized entry, prevents tailgating, and helps identify potential threats before they escalate. Video intercoms also integrate seamlessly with other security systems, such as CCTV and access control, to create a stronger, layered defense. Some key benefits of video intercoms in high-traffic areas include enhanced visitor verification, better crowd management, improved safety for staff and visitors, fast, secure communication during emergencies. Whether it's a corporate office, residential building, hospital, or transit hub, implementing a video intercom system significantly reduces risks and creates peace of mind for everyone inside. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Comm Systems channel for more insights on security and communication solutions. For professional video intercom installations and security solutions, call us today at 888-501-5885 or visit our website at www.dvcsny.com.